Yeah. All right, guys. I'm setting up my URL right now, my OBS and stuff. So a little bit busy trying to get everything all set up, ready to go. A little bit too late. I don't know. How's everybody doing? Pretty sure everybody's good to go. Been so long since I haven't done this. It's been a while, so bear with me. It's Facebook. All right, we gotta get back. We gotta back. We gotta get back in grinding again. Pretty much the plan for me is to, get back in my groove of trading and all that stuff. It's been a while since I haven't done this stuff. Oh man, why am I recording? Not recording. There we go. Oh my gosh. All right, there is something wrong with my stuff. uh, I think I'm getting it right now. I think it should be good. Is it Facebook? Why is that? We'll just focus on on YouTube, I guess. All right, cool. All right, so how's everybody doing? How is everybody doing today? It's been so long since I actually done like a, what do you call it? It's been a while since I done like two stream right now. There's three people already while watching me. Oh, Luna is back. Oh, uh, hey Luna, how is it going? I hear you are back. Oh my gosh, bro, how is it going, dude? Did you catch that imbalances? Dude, it's been so long since, I don't know. I just wanted to take a break from trading, and then but now I have to focus on it. We gotta make to 1 million, right? By the end of 2025. So we gotta keep grinding. Luna, how's it going, bro? So yeah, guys, how's it going, everybody? How's everybody doing and stuff? Oh man, I'm still getting that emoji. How is what is that? But right now, so far, what I'm seeing so far is we already touched that imbalances. That was supposed to be when it first opened this afternoon. If you guys are looking at the, if you guys are looking this area, and then if you're looking at the ES, you try to break to that area. So pretty much I'm thinking. Do you know what I'm thinking about? Is that we're gonna be reaching for this true open day. Take out this high. Let's see how the reaction will be once we get to 627. Because like literally we are like from S1 to S2, so it's much more closer for us to get to 850 So we have a 745 pivot point that is on the 4-hour time frame. So we just reached that, like I said. So you know that's pretty understandable. Um, but yeah, it's from what I'm seeing so far, that's what's happening on the market itself. The 4-hour time frame. It would make sense for me if I were to go short. I'll take this side right here, the pivot point, because why would I want to be here on this 50%? So right now we are currently on the premium level. So like if you go right here to here, this is your premium. This is your equilibrium, which is 462, and then this area. So that's what I'm seeing so far on this. Where do we want to take the market to be? But we already, as you can see here, I'm just using the basic stuff now. I don't want to over complicate my trade and just read the market itself. So right now we have 30 minutes till the market opens, and we will see from there. We will see from there. Really, really cool stuff. So we have a lot of stuff right here. You guys can see. I definitely would love to see it. You know, let's go back here. Oh. And see for what it would look like. How's everybody doing? There's 2 people watching. I don't know who's the other 2, but I'm restarting from from whatever you call it. I just want to restart. I'm trying to get my live account going also. Trying to build it up. I gotta get coffee. I haven't got no coffee yet. I'm gonna get coffee for right now. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna get coffee. Oh, all right, all right, all right. So we are back. I was trying to fix some stuff. So the two people, I gotta go call Lee, say what's up to him, say good morning. What's his take on the market and stuff. We go call him, dude. I'm not even. It's freezing out here. I don't even have the heater on. Let's see what's up. Good morning. Yeah, he's probably busy. Just gotta get going. All right, so yeah, so we got 13 minutes till the market opens. I guess it's not trading today. I guess it's not trading today. All right, guys. So what I'm suspecting is if we test this area right here at 628, and then we return back to the imbalances right here, I think that's what I'm suspecting for me. But I am suspecting we can return back to 745 for the 4-hour pivot point, which is 746. So if we close this candle, if this candle closes here, I think we can obviously go back here at 746. But we have to watch the price action. I think that's one of the key reason why I say like the price action is what matters. Also right here, pivot point is 59.42. So that's what? That's 42 points. And I think that's going to be a target. Especially if we didn't break down this whole area right here. So sell side liquidity is going to be this area right here. This is your sell side, which is 876. And you got the buy side to the upside, but we got a pivot point right here, which is going to be a very, very important level. So that's why I said we're going to be, I'm suspecting it to go from here and then go like this to get some imbalances and then go to the upside. That is what I'm suspecting to happen for today, but I don't have the control of the buyers and the seller. The seller has to decide, or the buyer itself needs to decide where it wants to go. But definitely it is a target. And then this one right here is 400. That's really, really amazing. Yeah. That's a pretty far goal to get where the market wants to distribute. And then as you can see on the Forex. So Forex Factory. The Forex 10 a.m. Oh man, there's nobody here no more. Where is everybody? Get a workout after this. Oh, this is gonna be epic. Huh. It's gonna be epic. Where is everybody at? So there's 2 people. Hey, how's it going, guys? How are you guys doing? It's been you guys are to learn the market, the people. Yeah. What is up, guys? So 3 people watching. That's good. How's it going? How's everybody doing for today? Hope you guys are having some good things happening. It's been a while since I stopped streaming. I don't know why I stopped streaming, but I should have continued on doing it so that I could have built the community. Well, the plan now is to build this community, and hope you guys are still watching. The 3 people that's watching right now, I know who you guys are. You guys are all trying to make money in this market. We are all trying to make money in this market. And we're going to try something different this time. It's about discipline, making money in the market with ICT Concept. So I hope you guys are tuning in for this channel. As always, we're going to try to make it big. We are going to try to make it big. It's just live it kind of different kind of vibe now. I just want to make it, super chill for everybody so that you guys can, communicate with each other, like what are like your ideas, and making this community like where we share ideas. So like, man, me, I'm not really a good trader. I'm not the best of them all, but I have a little bit of information on that. But we got 30 minutes till the market opens, and suspecting it to go take out that buy sell liquidity. So the target would be is to get the buy sell liquidity and see for a confirmation from me on that one. We will see how it will. So let's see what will happen on this. So you guys can see right here on the candle. Watch the candle. I'm watching the candle right now. See what it will do. You guys can see right now. Because this is manipulation right here. So from London, then from there, manipulation. We broke through the London low. Then let's go see if we got any. The 15 minutes. So what I would do is right here, stop, targeting this side. That's what I would do. If I take the loss here, that would make sense. I'm going to see if we can put in my order already. I'm going to see like another minute or so. Let us see. Yeah, I mostly just trade on my Ladder account. I usually just go on my phone. All right, so still good. All right, so I took a long position on that. I'm gonna, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. That's totally fine with me. I'm not scared. Why would I be scared? I've seen this pattern so many times already. So this is my target for ES. I'm liking that. you rinse and repeat, right? In order to get your you gotta trust the process. If you don't trust the process, how are you gonna make money? Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm not gonna change my bias because this is so clean right here. And you know what I'm suspecting. We can go to this right here, retest this area, which is 626. That is what I'm suspecting of happening. 626 area getting retested. We had this pivot point right here, which is on right here on the 59.915. So yeah, that's pretty much my target. This 59.15. But if we do go down, then you know that's totally fine with me. Because right now we are currently here on this premium level. What is the sentiment on the market? That's the question. Sentiment of the market. So I usually look at the market sentiment also. The market sentiment. Oh, they're neutral. That makes sense. They're neutral. What is the 4 hour look like? Okay, so all right, so looking like we have a possibility that we're gonna go up now. That's just crazy. Ship a market structure. Boom. So we've been selling out for since Friday, so that's why I'm suspecting it to actually just try to go back to where it needs to be. Then that should be like my take on this. Like what they said, you know, the market is the law of probability, all that stuff. If you take a loss, you take the risk of one R in order to gain 2R. I think that's one of the reason is as long as you're constantly doing the same, risk reward. Let's say you're risking $2,000 in order to gain like, $4,000 to $5,000. So if you're risking this much, you gotta keep it that way so that you know that you are suspecting it to be there. It's not like you're targeting this much. Even this right here, this trade. And then so once I get to 50%, I'll take 1/2 probably, and then break through that area. All right, so I'm suspecting it now. We're 5,900 now. Cool. It's currently trading the ES. Who is currently trading that ES area? Let me turn out my camera right now. I'm doing some stuff right now. All right, so let's see. What will happen here? All right, so we just took out that 15-minute. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, if you look at the 15-minute, look at what the candle did. There is a possibility we can go to the upside now. Yeah, so look at this candle right here. So let's see where the candle will close. All right, so they're buying into it. All right, cool. All right, so the market sentiment is shifting to buy. We'll see what the reaction will be here on this fair value gap. Watch this fair value gap on the 5-minute. Let's see if we get taken out this buy side liquidity. It's the same thing with the ES. So this is where they're going to be fighting the bulls and the bears. So you got to be careful. Like, know where you're going to be risking. You see how we're just fighting it all out. This is how you're supposed to be reading the market itself. So that was just a fake out. Yeah, it's just too clean to the upside from what I'm looking at right now. It's too clean. And this is so choppy. You see that we broke down. We try to do it again, but right here it's too smooth. Yeah, see, it's rough right here. The question is, you're gonna be scared or take the profit or whatever you want to say. That's why I usually sometimes I don't want to spend so much time in the screen no more. If I made my $500 or like my $1,000, something like that, get out. Now you're gonna be stuck because you're gonna be on the longer time frame compared to the lower time frame itself. That's one of the things that I like about just trading by a minute. That's what I've been using. I've been doing for quite some time, just to see where I would. So heavy selling from what I'm seeing so far. Heavy selling. That's totally fine. Let's see. Let's see what the reaction will be once 10 o'clock happens. You just have to keep going on this. Just have to keep going. You just have to trust the process. Just trust the process, and when it comes to trading itself, it's harder than what I suspected. So like right here, the next 5 minutes. So we hold this area right here. We have we have a SMT divergence that's happening. So this area, the lower time frame. You see there's a SMT divergence the next 5 minutes. Especially when 10 o'clock close. That's an indication where you will want it to go. But right now the true open day is up here. So it's a big candle. So do we want to take it to the upside or the downside? From what I see is that we've been going to the downside for quite some time since Friday and stuff. So do I suspect it? I don't know. I mean, that's how it usually is. So yeah, it looks like we are gonna go to the downside. Suspicion. Do we have to change bias or what? No, I'm not gonna change my bias on this. I'll take that loss if I have to. Oh man, why did I do that? Why did I switch bias on just paper trading? Jeez. I'm not changing the bias. I'm just gonna stick with the rule. It's called discipline, right? I was gonna close my position, but I was like, it's only one contract anyway. Looks like we are bearish today. The law of probability. Gotta have a clear mind. It's just really, really cool how we can get to this. See, look at how they're fighting this level. This is like really, really important level. Everybody's fighting it. Do we want to sell it or do we want to go up? What's the deal? We're so far out from the support one. I mean, it would make sense to have it right here, but would it make sense if we go to the upside, take this out, to retest this area again? Because right now we are in the equilibrium. So if you measure from here to here, equilibrium is going to be here. And we are taking it to the premium level. We still don't know. That's up to the market to decide. I mean, that's how it usually is. Do we want to take it there? It's about to be 7. I'm about to go work out. All right, so looks like we are on it. All right, so looks like we might make it. Let's go play some music. Oh, we wait. All right, so this is just gonna be a break-even trade for me now. Break-even trade. It doesn't matter for me what happens on this market now. You know, it's just gonna be a break-even trade. That's totally fine. If we don't, that's there's nothing to lose now for me. Where's my phone? It's 50% of this level. If you guys are willing to take the profit, take the profit. But for me, we about to make some money out of this. Just to pay for my commission. I'll take half of my contract right here. That's pretty much it. Next thing you know, let's break even trade right there. All right, so there's still light in this market. Really, really good. Took a coffee break. Next thing you know, the market is going up. Really, really good. So they're going to be struggling here. And we want to see the reaction between this area. But I want to see it push up to the upside. And then, yeah, we'll see from there. If we go to 625, I think that's going to be a hit right there. At least I took half of my profit. I took half of it. That's pretty much the plan of the day, you know? What is your plan of the day? That's how we're going to do it. So we listen to the music. We try to calm our mind, all of that stuff. Just try to calm your mind. Don't change your bias. Keep going on what you think the market will go. That's usually it. And you just follow through. If the trade doesn't work, you're done for today. You take the profit already, you take the profit.
This holiday season, share Jura Whiskey, an award-winning single malt made by a Scottish island community since 1810. Fruity and balanced, Jura is perfect to celebrate with your community. Click or tap the banner to save $10 when you buy 2 bottles with code JURASPOT at JURAWHISKY.com. Must be 21 to enjoy. Please drink responsibly.
Lowe's honors our military community this Veterans Day and every day. To say thank you, verified military members, veterans, and their spouses get 10% off everyday purchases, plus free silver key status with My Lowe's Rewards. It's our way of showing our gratitude to the brave people who have and continue to serve our country. Learn more now at lowes.com/military. 10% discount can't be combined with another offer. Exclusions, terms, and conditions apply. Loyalty program.
All right, I need to turn that off. I just need to turn that off. Been trying to do my best as I can now as a trader. 59.16 is my target. 59.16 is my target on ES. All right, so far looking good so far. I mean, the trade works out really, really good. So there's nothing I can complain about. Except it actually worked out really, really good. Like, for example, like this one right here. This is what I was telling you guys about. Is we did a manipulation to the, to the downside, breaking down the London low. So we have a whole thing right here. So what I'm suspecting next is to go to 59.942. So I'm thinking we can go to this area right here for today, that we will see later on what it could do. I mean, that's up to the market to decide. But I'm just aiming for this area. So I'll take one profit here, and then I'll hold on to like one of them. So hold on to that one trade right here, and then my target is just 59.16, and then we'll see what he wants to do from there. Usually once we get all those, this whole area is manipulation. Then probably in the afternoon is when we're gonna go up to 59.42. But we will see. You know, that's part of trading. I actually want to see the reaction once we hit, you know, 59 for 2625. I want to see it a reaction from there. What will it do? Damn, I'm losing hair, guys. Losing hair.
Details at Lowe's.com/terms. Subject to change. Lowe's knows that to win the job,
I want to see it get taken out, that area. If we can take that out, I'm probably gonna go switch from another side, but we will see. Because right now there's a high liquidity at 58.75. It's just 291. But I want to see it to go 59.16 first. What will it do at 59.16? What will it do at 20? You know, 20, 627 on NQ itself? You know, what are we gonna do on 59.16? That's the question. There is liquidity at 58.75 area. How are we gonna deliver from there? That's the question. That's the question of the day. Is how are we gonna deliver from there? We gotta go ask ourselves about that. I would love to see it right now. Just touch that 627. Just touch that. What time is it? 6:20. We got 30 minutes. We got 15 minutes. Come on. Just touch it. I'm probably going to switch bias after that. Let's see how we're going to be reacting on this BWAP. Yeah, very, very important level here on this side right here. That's why there's a reaction around 5908 in area. So you see this right here, this quick pump. Let's see what is going to happen on this quick pump. Let us see what will happen on this. Let's quick pump it. 627 is all I need. 627 is all I need. Come on. We can get this thing started. Let's build this community up. That's what we're going to try to do, even though we got nothing. Damn, my thing is crooked. It's all good. I'm not I'm not worried about that. All right, so we got that thing hit. That is good to go right there. We got a hit right there. We got a hit. Now let's see. Let us see where it wants to go now. It's very, very important level right there also, because that's where the pivot point is at. But we will see where it wants to. And looks like we are struggling from going there. Some reason. So we just took over that pivot point. Now we got another high of day right here. Now we'll see in there. We will see here. All right, let's see that 5 area that I was talking about, this 5915. Once we take out all those high right here, we can go to this 745 4-hour time frame. Looking good so far. So let's go take out all this and then take it from here. We'll see. You just have to keep trusting the process, right? Keep that. So pro hours, the 4 hours is looking good. This candle itself already formed. Big candle, lots of buyer. Are we going to inverse it? And what's the plan? That's the question. Like I said, my target is 5916 area. I want to just see that level. You know, I'll be good to go if I can just take it there. Yeah. Wherever is the pivot point is at. That's just my goal. That is just my goal. Wherever is the target. Yeah, we'll build this thing. I'm gonna build up this portfolio that we have just to trade, try to make money and all that stuff. This is for my children, man. This is for my children. Give them all the resources they need. And when we trade, this documentary about myself, about how I become a trader. A trader that's going to be out of a kind, That'll be the best trader out there. You got to show your discipline, right? As you guys can see right now, we are going to hit that level, for that important level. A lot of, like I said, there is a reason why they left this thing open. They left this open because there's a reason. And now it's pushing back up, and we're pushing. We're just pushing and pushing. Really, really easy to see where the market will want to go, which is crazy, Market wants to go up, then it wants to go up. If it wants to go down, it wants to go down. But you got to trust the process of trading this market, And that's what I'm seeing so far. The target just got hit, all of that stuff. We take the profit and walk away. What time is it? It's 7:32 here in this, where I'm currently at. I'm blessed to be here. Blessed to be part of this. Blessed to be here. And we just got to stay positive with all this positivity in this world. That's how we need. You know what I mean? That's part of trading. You can't be fighting the trend. If you fight the trend, you fight the trend. Next thing you know, you're making profit out of this. Really, really cool, setup of where the market would want to go. And we took profit. We got the profit for today. Let's go. All right, so be very, very careful on this level, which is 516. We have a pivot point here on this upper hand. 4-hour time frame itself definitely is going to be very, very important. 4-hour time frame, higher time frame, daily, all of that stuff. Those are the key factors to reading the market itself. As long as you can align yourself on the higher time frame, I think you're going to make profit out of this. Even with the 5-minute, all of that stuff, I think it's For me right now, I'm done trading. We made our profit. We got our profit target. I was risking, this much right here, but for some reason, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna. If we hit this area, 745, I'm happy with it. But for me now, I think I'm just gonna let's just get off of this trade. So yeah, uh, like I said, 11. What time is it? Yeah, 11 a.m. Usually I'm done. Just got to do some working out and all that stuff, and that's it.
What if you could save up to 50% on the latest appliances? You can this season at the Best Buy Holiday Appliances Sale. Plus, get up to a $500 Best Buy gift card on select purchases. Learn more at bestbuy.com. Best Buy. Imagine that.
University of Michigan is customer friendly, and when you transfer in 12 to 60 credits, you're eligible for up to a $3,000 scholarship. Because friends do the little things that can change oh no to oh yeah. Get started at Phoenix.edu.
The holidays are a magical time to get engaged. At Shane Company, we're here to help you create your dream engagement ring in just 3 easy steps. Choose a setting that speaks to your style. Compare diamonds and colorful gemstones in all shapes and sizes. Then personalize it with a decorative crown and special engraving. Or choose a perfectly preset ring that's ready to go. At Shane Company, you'll find everyday competitive prices, a no-pressure environment, and an unmatched free lifetime warranty. Shane Company, your friend and jeweler.
Be blessed. That's the key important things here. That's crazy. Just reading it all out just makes it so easier. Calm, no anxiety, no depression, all that stuff. I think that's one of the key factors on tackling this market itself. Whatever your decision is you have to plan it all out. My thing now, my take in the market, just gonna be just chill. No negative energy. We don't need to hear anything from this. The thing is for me now as a trader, I think my main goal is just to make things happen, initiate the plan, and stick to that. Discipline is key when it comes to trading itself. No matter what I think about, trading now, way different. Building up my portfolio to $1 million by 2025 is like my goal. And if I can do it, I'm definitely gonna do it if I can. But I hope I can. But in order to do that, to make something like this, it's an eye opener for me now. Like when I look at the market itself, try to change everything little by little. So, this is documentary. If my kid is watching, well, that is building our kingdom. That's what they said, right? Because God is good. And we're about to build this. We're about to build this. It's going to be crazy, but I got the skill to do it. Thanks to ICT. Shout out to ICT. If you are watching this, ICT, the knowledge you gave me is something. You're able to read the market itself is an eye opener. It's like storytelling. It's a knowledge. And now it's just risk management now. It's just risk management. Like I said, take that profit right there. We already got that target. So what are you guys gonna, walk away? There's nothing for you to be going back and forth where the market wants to go. It's algorithm. That's what ICT is saying. And there's a reason why there's a certain time frame and what happens in London lows, Asian lows, and all that stuff. Asian high, London high, all of that. So the reason why I want to talk to you guys about this, trading itself, it's, I used to overthink it. I used to put my emotion into this. But after, trading all of that stuff, I changed the way that I look at the market now. Testing, back testing and all that stuff. I think that's one of the things that I like about this trading now. It's a little bit different now than what it used to be. It's just want to have a calm mind. I don't want any negative energy. That's on the chat. Get out of my chat if you guys don't like the way I explain things, but it's a little bit different now. And think of the positivity. But we hit our target. That was a really, really good trade with the live account, all of that stuff. I think it's gonna be a way different kind of journey and how I look at the market itself. That's pretty much it. I think it definitely is different now. Yeah, everybody's like getting into this 59.16, and the next thing you know, it dipped down to 58.75 because we don't know yet because it's Monday, right? Monday usually is. It's like where are we going to be going? That's one of the question is where are we going to be going? And yeah, it's one of those things that I try to change now as a trader. There's two person. Hey, what's up, man? Whoever you are, what's up, bro? How is it going? That second person that's watching right now, what's up, man? I gotta create some content. Dude, why is there so much? There's emoji in my how to take off emoji in Mac. For camera. Okay, cool. I fixed it. Wow. So this whole time I've been getting this emoji because of that. But yeah. Definitely it was a good trade today. I think that was really, really good. I like it. Learned a lot from that. Just continue to build. I think it's good to go now. We're good. Google Play. Really, really good. hope I get my stuff already. See, now people are adding to a short. I'm reading on the chat. They're saying short now, short now. Come on, dude. Like now, like 11 o'clock to around just lunch time frame. They're gonna create a level on that level that I told you guys about. When something gets taken out, so right. So this is the main thing about how ICT talks about the market. He talks about once a certain level gets taken out, usually that is going to be like a bounce point, or it could be a something that could flush down to here. So the reason why I took the position here is because we already took out the London low, and it makes sense for us to keep going to that area. And so usually we're going to bounce here. I don't know why people are shorting this. This is not a short. This is not a short. Like, there's no plan for this. It's like a 50-50 where it wants to go. So, like, this is what's going to happen from what I'm seeing is we can either bounce this, right? Then after that, we go to this side. There we go. That is what I'm seeing. Now, right now, if you're trying to short this, I don't recommend it. Okay, well, I'm done. I'm done for the day. That is a good trading day for the day. I'm going to go work out. Time to work out. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Trading is, it should not be overcomplicated. You don't want to complicate it. Once you overcomplicate it without a plan and you're unbiased of where the market would go, definitely it's gonna be different. So yeah. I'll see you guys later. Thank you, and